With a focus on safety and impeccable workmanship, M. Davis & Sons handles your complex mechanical projects with an attention to detail and a level of quality that's unparalleled. Whether it's new construction, expansion, maintenance, or capital development, each unique project is managed to exact specifications, completed on time and within budget, and meets all necessary quality and safety regulations. Our qualified team of credentialed tradespeople, including pipe fitters, riggers, and millwrights, are on hand to create seamless, end-to-end solutions to meet all your project goals. With a broad range of mechanical proficiencies, M. Davis truly is the one source for all your mechanical contractor needs. With our utmost attention to quality and safety, coupled with rigorous and ongoing training, you can be confident in the M. Davis team for all your mechanical project needs.